I recently made a video where I'm trying to experiment with the Backscatter Greenwater filter, lights, and the red light to see how I can get the best picture in the green waters of the Puget Sound. I'll say that that was one of the harder videos I've had to edit and make, so in trying to show enough of examples of where I'm using it, it's not the best edit. Up until now, I thought the Greenwater filter without the tab would be very difficult or useless to use if I wanted to try it with the Flip 10 and the Macromate Mini, because here in the Puget Sound in 50-degree water, I'm using something like 5mm neoprene gloves, and once I put this down, it's pretty difficult to grab that. But what I discovered is if I push here, kind of twist the top, I'm able to separate the seal just enough to where I can just reach down and grab it like that. And the other thing I've noticed is that when I am in the water and I'm using my gloves to seat it down, I don't always seat it down completely. And if I don't, then it leaves it open just enough of a crack to where I can still reach down, grab it, flip it open, and go back to using the Macromate Mini. Hopefully this tip will help you out if you have one of these filters that don't have a tab, or maybe that's an easier way for you to use it, because even with the tab, it can be difficult to reach down and find that. I don't normally get a chance to try filters because most of my dives are night dives or deep dives where I'm really just using the video lights. On a recent dive to Titlow, which has an average depth or maximum depth of about 40 feet, and it was a daylight dive, I got to try all these options out and got to see what might work best. Now, that's not part of this video, but if you want to check that out, I'll put a link either in the description or somewhere around here. There'll be a link to that video if you want to actually see the comparison of the Greenwater filter and the lights. One of the ways I like to learn is to visually analyze my own content and watch it back and see kind of what the experiments, what I tried, what may have worked, what didn't work. So hopefully, if you're a visual learner like me, hopefully that type of content will help you out, and you can check out what the hell are you doing? I plan to make future videos that are just underwater adventures, as well as some videos that will help me learn and help share and maybe start discussions about the gear that I'm using or should be using and may want to consider. So if you like that type of content, consider giving a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.